Stepping into the unit, you'll be greeted with a very spacious living and dining area. It is ultra spacious all throughout the entire unit. Finally, introducing the master bedroom. You can wake up to this beautiful river facing every morning. You can add on additional carpentry for storage or design.
Hi everyone, today we are in the heartlands of Canberra, Block 128C. And we have a newly 5-room flat HDB to show you. Let's head up to the unit.
Located along Canberra Street, this unit is only 5 minutes walk away to Canberra MRT and Canberra Plaza, with Daiso, NTUC FairPrice, McDonald's, Starbucks, Ya Kun and Gymbox. Perfect set of amenities that will provide you with the convenience you desire. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 7 primary schools within 2 km, including the reputable Chong Fu Primary School, Top 12, which is within 1 km and only 4 bus stops away. This is an intermediate corner, and at 1,216 square feet, it comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, 2 bathrooms, living area, dining area and an enclosed kitchen. Stepping into the unit, you'll be greeted with a very spacious living and dining area. It is ultra spacious all throughout the entire unit. You can definitely host a party here, right in your home. The entire unit comes with vinyl flooring, very durable and well maintained. The storeroom is tucked to the left, which gives you the flexibility to add on carpentry for storage of your shoes or any other items. And at the same time, you can cover it up. You can fit a 3-seater sofa and it will have more than sufficient TV to sofa distance. With such functional layout, you can always reorientate your furniture preferences from time to time. The floor area in this unit is fully utilized since there is no wastage in the path leading to the bedrooms, as the floor area is part of the dining area, which can comfortably fit 6 to 8-seater tables with chairs. Entering the kitchen, it is well maintained and fully fitted with necessary electrical appliances. This spacious kitchen leads you to the yard where you can place your washer and dryer right here. If you prefer to dry your clothes the natural way, this unit is for you. There is Unblock view, which provides natural ventilation and sunlight into the yard. All of the common bedrooms do not come with built-in fixtures except the air-conditioned units. Perfect size to plan and design your ideal bedroom for your children's study room, parents' room or even an entertainment room. Let's unravel more amenities here in Canberra. With just 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Sembawang MRT, where you'll be able to find Sun Plaza Mall with Sembawang Public Library, Decathlon, Kofu and Hai Di Lao. With 1 MRT stop forward, you'll be at Yishun MRT, where you can shop at North Point City Mega Mall. There is Golden Village Cinemas, an array of food options and enrichment schools here. What's more, Bukit Canberra is already officially open and it is a mega transformation for the residents in the north. It will be an integrated hub with hawker centre, indoor and outdoor facilities, polyclinic, a senior care center, green spaces for community farming. Finally, introducing the master bedroom. You can wake up to this beautiful river facing every morning. You can fit a king-size bed and a dresser table here. With minimal fixtures, you can add on additional carpentry for storage or design according to your own ideal preferences.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour, and if you like this move-in condition 5-room flat unit, please contact me. Please remember to like, subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms. Link in the description box. OK， 收工了，收工了。现在这个房子这么好，我们可以一路向北了。我一路向北，离开有你的季节。And we have a newly 5-room flat HDB show flat.
Oh, show flat. 哎呦，